Okay, today we're going to do a dictation for our magic E words. Today we're going to review all of our magic E. A magic E magic E, I magic E, O magic E, and U magic E. Our first word today is make. A k, make. A make. And we put this E over here with the stars. It does not get a sound line because it is silent. Make. The second word is loan. L-O-N. L-O-N. Loan. Loan. Number 3, we see we have a 2-letter blend at the beginning. Grape. Gr-a-p. Grape. Gr-a-p. Grape. Like somebody is eating a grape. Number 4, we see a 3-letter blend at the beginning. The word is stride. 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 Number 5 is a 2-syllable word. Mandate. Mandate. The first syllable is man. A-n. A-n. We hear the a, man. The second syllable is date. Date. D-8. D-8. Date. We hear the long A here in date. This is the word mandate. Let's read through the words we wrote today. Make, loan, grape, stride, mandate.